I prefer udon over rice anytime. It's my staple food. I've been eating it since young and I have never gotten tired of it. Hi, my name is Clive from Kai Udon and I'm showing you guys my creamy garlic shrimp udon, and I'll be serving this at GastroBeats this year, so please come down and try it. So right now we're gonna grill some prawns for my creamy udon. Actually, I want to start Kai Udon for many years now, ever since before COVID. I feel like Japanese cuisine inspired me the most. The way they are very dedicated to their craft, that really inspired me, and I want to do that as well for my dishes. So right now we're making the cream and I'm gonna go in with butter. First time I actually tried stir-fried udon was when I went to my friend's house when I was like roughly around 13 to 14, and it was so good that I had to come back home and ask my mom to replicate it for me. And along the years we made some tweaks here and there. I tried different cuisines from everywhere, so I try to incorporate that into my udon dishes as well. Places that sell udon in Singapore are normally very traditional. We have a lot of races here, so I want to make it more familiar to our people here, which incorporate a lot of Southeast Asian tastes. And I like to get creative with my food and I like to try different things. It doesn't have to be a Japanese dish. It can be cooked in many different ways. You just gotta be creative with it. You can cook any style of dish you want with udon. This is the first time Kai Udon will be operating. Hope to learn a lot from the processes, to customer service, to sourcing of high quality ingredients. That's what I'm really looking forward to. It's very cheesy and the prawns are very sweet as well. If you love udon, there's a flavor for everyone out there. We have mala, Thai style, creamy udon. I'm sure you'll find something you like over there. GastroBeats has a flavor, it will definitely be spicy. GastroBeats is always overwhelmed by many people, tourists from all over the country, and Singapore is kind of hot as well, so I'll say spicy. But I believe great food can have a huge impact on people's memories. For me, I still remember my friend's mom's udon from 13 years ago, so I hope we can share a good memory together. See you at the Meatmen zone at GastroBeats this May 2025. Bye bye!